Hello everyone. We have completed chapter 1 chemistry class 10th and now I am giving you an assignment of the previous year board exam questions. आप सभी ने इनके written में practice करनी है because these are some of the most important questions. मैं एक बार ये questions read down कर रही हूँ. Later on you will solve all these questions. Question number 1 is a small amount of quicklime. आप लोगों ने पढ़ा हुआ है ये. Quicklime is calcium oxide, CaO. A small amount of quicklime is added to water in a beaker. Name and define the type of reaction that has taken place. Give equation and give two observations. This question was asked in 2012 board exam. It's a very good question. क्विकलाइम को आपने वाटर में ऐड किया, कौन सा रिएक्शन होगा, क्या इक्वेशन और क्या ऑब्जर्वेशंस है. यू नीड टू मेंशन द टू ऑब्जर्वेशंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में अभी एक डायग्राम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस का 3 मार्क का वेटेज होता है. नाउ इन द चाइना डिश कॉपर पाउडर, द ब्राउन कलर्ड कॉपर पाउडर हैज़ बीन टेकन. आपको बताना है व्हेन यू हीट अप दिस कॉपर पाउडर what will be the color of the product which is formed. Give equation involved. Can we convert product back to the reactant? और इस particular part का equation भी, when we can convert the product back to reactant, क्या equation involve होगी, you need to mention that. Question number 3 is very simple, that is balancing. Mg plus N2 product में है Mg3N2. What is Mg3N2? This is magnesium nitride. Second is aluminium plus chlorine. You get aluminium chloride. This question was asked in 2016 board exam. सिर्फ इसको balance करना है. Question number 4 is again a very good one. Now you have to complete and balance the equation. NH3 will react with O2. पहले तो आपको products identify करने हैं, क्या products मिलेंगे, and then you need to balance the equation. Second is NaOH plus H2SO4. Identify the products and balance the equation. Third is PbNO3 twice plus Ki. Again identify the products and balance it. Question number 5. Why white AgCl turns grey in sunlight? Reason भी देना है, equation भी देनी है. Question number 6. What happens when magnesium reacts with dilute HNO3? Just you need to mention the equation. It was asked in 2016 board exam paper. Question number 7. Why green coating develops on copper vessel in the rainy season? Reason भी देना है. Green coating के लिए कौन सा chemical responsible है? You need to mention the formula and the name of the compound. Question number 8. Why respiration is considered an exothermic process? Then question number 9. Why photosynthesis is considered an endothermic process? अगर आप equation दे सकते हो, mention the equation also. Question number 10. What happens when blue colored copper 2 nitrate is heated in a boiling tube? जब आपने copper 2 nitrate को heat किया है, what will happen? Mention the equation in this and also identify the type of reaction. What kind of reaction is taking place in the equation? Question number 11. It was from 2017 paper. Write chemical equation of reaction. सिर्फ chemical equation देने हैं in which following changes have taken place. पहला है change in color. Second, change in temperature. Third is formation of precipitate. You need to mention only the equations. अब जो ये question number 12 और 13 है, these are the fill-ups question. ये जो इस बार exam format change हुआ है, it is one of the category of the questions asked in the board paper. Like there are filling the blanks, there are true and false question, there are assertion and reasoning. So question number 12 is chemical formula of marble is 1 mark question है, सिर्फ आपको मार्बल का केमिकल फॉर्मूला देना है. Similarly, chemical composition of rust is, you need to mention the formula. Question number 14 is true and false, true or false type question. Reduction is loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen. You need to mention whether it is true or false. Question number 15. Potato chips manufacturers fill the packet of chips with the nitrogen. Again you need to mention true or false. अभी हम इस सेम क्वेश्चन 15 को assertion और reasoning में भी पोर्ट्रे कर सकते हैं. सपोज दिस इज द assertion और इसका रीजन है नाइट्रोजन इज केमिकली अनरिएक्टिव गैस. तो आप इस क्वेश्चन को इस फॉर्मेट में भी आंसर कर सकते हो. वेदर assertion एंड रीजन आर ट्रू और नॉट. आपको बेसिकली मुझे इसमें यही बताना है कि assertion अगर ठीक है तो वेदर रीजन इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ assertion और नॉट. In that format you will answer. If assertion and reason both are true and reason is the correct explanation of A, so it is correct or not. तो इनको आप दोनों फॉर्मेट में आंसर करिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, again it is true or false type. Precipitation reaction do not produce insoluble salts. You need to mention true or false. So these are some of the most important questions for practice of chapter 1 chemistry, and solve all of these answers in your register. That's all for today, and do practice these questions. Thank you.